Cleaning a bathroom requires specific supplies to ensure thoroughness. Essential cleaning solutions include all-purpose cleaner, disinfectant cleaner, glass cleaner, and toilet bowl cleaner. The necessary tools are scrub brushes, sponges, microfiber cloths, a toilet brush, and a mop and bucket. Safety items like rubber gloves, personal protective equipment, proper ventilation, and trash bags are also crucial. These supplies set the foundation for a consistent and effective cleaning routine. Preparation is key. Start by putting on gloves and personal protective equipment. Ventilate the area by opening windows or turning on exhaust fans. Begin by removing trash and replacing bags. Then wipe down all surfaces with an all-purpose cleaner, including countertops, sinks, and fixtures. Clean mirrors and glass surfaces using a glass cleaner and microfiber cloth. Dust light fixtures, vents, and high surfaces to ensure no area is overlooked. Apply toilet bowl cleaner to the inside of the bowl and let it sit for a while. Clean the exterior of the toilet, including the seat, lid, and base with a disinfectant. Scrub the inside of the bowl with a toilet brush, focusing on stains and buildup. Flush the toilet to rinse the bowl thoroughly. Pay special attention to hidden areas around hinges and the base where bacteria commonly accumulate. Begin floor cleaning by sweeping or vacuuming to remove debris. Mop with disinfectant, starting from the farthest corner and moving toward the door. Pay extra attention to grout lines and areas around the toilet and sink bases. For final touches, empty and clean trash cans and replace toilet paper, paper towels, and hand soap. Check for maintenance issues like leaks or broken fixtures to ensure everything is in order. Conduct a quality check by walking through to ensure all areas are thoroughly cleaned. Verify all supplies are properly stored and disposed of after use. Confirm no areas were missed during the cleaning process. Record the date and time of cleaning and note any issues requiring follow-up. Complete the cleaning verification checklist to maintain accountability and consistency. Utilize interactive checklists that allow users to tick off tasks as completed, providing a visual indication of progress. Real-time updates enable notifications to inform users of any changes to the SOP. Compliance tracking monitors performance with timestamps and metrics for completed tasks. This digital approach enhances the traditional cleaning process. It ensures efficiency and accountability in maintaining hygiene standards. A structured cleaning SOP ensures all cleaners follow the same thorough process every time. It maintains high standards of cleanliness and reduces health risks. The process streamlines cleaning, reducing wasted time and resources. Documentation and verification of completed tasks provide accountability. Overall, it ensures consistency, hygiene, efficiency, and accountability in bathroom cleaning.